Hi everyone, this is Pawan Sharma. Once again guys, I'm back with a stock which is ready for breakout. This stock, if you go with the fundamental of this company, excellent. If we talk about the chart setup, it's about to give us a breakout. So let's talk about it. And friends, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. That way you can support my channel a lot. And do not forget to press the bell icon. So whenever we post any new video, you will get the notification for the same. And do not forget to check the description box. There you will find our website. There you will find a lot of courses. If you are looking for new demat accounts, then link for Zero the Upstock and Fires will be there. And do not forget to join me on my Telegram for live updates. The stock which we are going to discuss in this video is Lloyds Engineering. Lloyds Engineering, the chart which you are looking on your screen is of 1 week, which means one candle represent 1 week. In 2022, starting of 2022, it hit a level of 26.25 and it could not break this level. Went down, again hit a low of 10, again tried in 2023, and this time 24.25 was a high. Again went down for a minor profit booking and it hit 26 again, and finally in 2023 August it broke this level of 26. After breaking this level, it made a high of 57, which is almost like, I would say, 100% return from this current breakout. After this breakout, it went down from some profit booking, and since then it is trading above this trend line. It is taking support on this trend line. So let me change the time frame to 1 day so that we can have a better view now. So if you look at this trend line here, it was constantly taking support on this trend line, and while taking support, it was also hitting this line which was acting as a resistance, and this is coming around 50 level. So 50 is our resistance, current resistance. In the last trading session, it went up above 50 and made a high of 50.90, but somehow it could not hold this level and close at 49.30. So we have two possibilities here. The first possibility is if it come down and it might hit a level of 43, 44. Okay. And the second opportunity is it will close above 50 and it will start looking for further up moves. And while doing so, it will hit a target of 60. That will be our first target. 75 and 100 will be this will be the first, this will be second, and this will be the third target. And interestingly, if it close above 50 on Monday, then we can place a stop loss of 45 only, so which is almost just 5 rupees into this case. I would say 10%, and if we talk about the percentage wise, but looking at the rewards, the rewards are very good. So let's not just discuss on the chart, let's do one more thing. Let's check Lloyds Engineering on its fundamental parameters also. The company is 5,600 crores. Debt is only 2,200 crores, which is almost debt free. PEG to ratio, which is like when the PEG ratio is around 1, or I would say around 0, the price indicate that it is a attractive price. It is available at a attractive valuation. The current price, book value, ROE, it has given a return of 25.4 and so on. If you just go down further and if you look at the profit loss of this company here, the profit loss is, let's look at the pros and cons. So everything is almost good. And if we talk about the cons, then stock is trading at 21.5 times of its book value. That I understand, but it has already taken a consolidation, so we can ignore this part and we can understand that it might rise further, but the closing should be above 50. Else, you will get this stock for around 44 rupees also. Promoter holding has decreased over the last quarter, which is minus 2.43, which is still feasible. Company has a low return on equity of 11.9 over the last 3 years because it was consolidating in a very narrow zone. And if you look at the rest of its peer factor, peers, which is competitors, Praj Industries, Jyoti CNC, Action, Alcon, Titagar, Jupiter Wagons and Thermax, which means they are into a very niche category. And if you look at the profit loss, the company is making constant profit. In the last quarter also, it has given a very good return. Looking at the profit loss balance sheet, then the net profit in the last quarter is 65 crores. Before that, it was 37, and before that was 6. And earlier, either no profit or 1 or 2 crores profit on and off. So which means that in the last 3 quarters the company has started performing well. Understand that this is a very important part which you need to understand when you are looking for any investment, or when you're looking for any company for your short to long term investment. If a company is giving you a constant profit in the last 2 or 3 quarters, only consider that company. Just once, like let's say you are looking at a company which has just given the profit in the last quarter, apart from that it was constantly giving loss, I would say you can ignore that and just get out of that particular company, and you can even remove that from your watch list. And if you just look at the other parameters which also look good, and asset is also increasing, cash flow is like I would say now they are into a minor negative cash flow. And if you look at the shareholding patterns, then in the last quarter the shareholding has gone down, but recently FIA has entered, like in the last quarter, December 2023, they have bought for 1.03, and now this is 1.100, which is fine. DII is almost constant, I would say, and the rest the public is holding this stock. So what we look in the chart is, first thing is the stock is taking support, so that's the first thing. Second thing we look at is now it is ready for breakout, so ready for breakout, and now the resistance is around 50, so we will take any trade above 50, else we can buy around 43 once it will take support around 44, 43 level. Third is fundamentals. Fundamentals are excellent. The company is almost performing, and in the last 3 quarters it is giving good returns. Looking at all the parameters, looking at all the like the chain of events and rest of the things and chart and everything, I would say this will be a very good stock which we can buy for short-term to long-term investment. And guys, understand this is not a investment advice. This is my personal analysis, and if in case you are taking a trade, then you must consult with your financial advisor also before taking any trade. And hope this will help you in making some good decision. And if you find any similar stock also, you can just write that down into my comment box. I will look at this stock and we can analyze that particular stock also. And I'll see you into my next video. Until then, take care guys. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.